Examiners project a bullish pattern for in every way that really matters, spell truly token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.0012 mark amazingly. The especially current market cost of one really spell exceptionally token by and large is $0.000603, which basically is very huge. The cost of one in every way that really matters, spell would for the most part reach as sort of high as $0.0070 United States dollars by 2030, which certainly is genuinely huge. The negative cost expectation for basically spell genuinely token, spell, in 2040 generally is $0.3050, with a really likely beautiful high of $0.3808 in an unobtrusive manner. Long-haul investigation proposes that most certainly spell pretty symbolic cost might actually flood to $0.5153 by 2050, with a very possible reach somewhere in the range of $0.4871 and $0.5575, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Starting around 11 February 2024, certainly spell kind of token generally is exchanging at $0.000603 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.26% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, which by and large is very critical. Spell in a real sense has a sort of complete market cap of $64,770,411, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $85,926,278, which is very huge. This especially makes in a real sense spell kind of token, spell, truly positioning at 470 in the digital money market. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the spell especially token cost expectation end of 2024, what will essentially spell exceptionally token in every practical sense, be all things considered. Worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Is for the most part spell kind of token and in every way that really matters, wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024, in an all things considered, large way. Will truly spell cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking high, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. These in every way that really matters are our especially spell exceptionally token cost expectations for spell's future in an especially large manner. Spell in every practical sense, token, spell, value expectation 2024, as per the spell pretty symbolic estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the spell cost explicitly is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of $0.000696, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of spell pretty token, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to sort of be $0.000672. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Besides in every way that really matters, spell can generally arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.000815, showing how the negative cost expectation for by and large spell essentially token, spell, in 2040, sort of is $0.3050, with a possible for the most part high of $0.3808 in a genuinely huge manner. Spell sort of token value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the extremely greatest cost for certainly spell kind of token could in a real sense stretch around $0.000538 in a very significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of fundamentally spell in February 2024 for the most part is $0.000479, with an essentially normal cost of $0.000523, or so they by and large thought. Spell fundamentally token value figure walk 2024, the truly normal cost of truly spell especially token, spell, could sort of go to $0.000539 toward the finish of walk 2024. Which generally is genuinely huge. Spell could truly be exchanging around an essentially most extreme worth of $0.000565, with the base expected cost of $0.000519. Spell sort of token, spell, value expectation April 2024, the cost for truly spell truly token in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.000541 and $0.000592, showing that this especially makes by and large spell pretty token, spell, truly positioning at 470 in the digital currency market, which especially is genuinely huge. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.000561. Spell pretty token, spell, value expectation May 2024. The cost for the most part spell really token in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.000547 and $0.000620, which generally shows that this makes for the most part spell especially token, spell, genuinely positioning at 470 in the digital money market in a truly significant manner. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.000572, which basically is very critical. Spell especially token, spell, value conjecture June 2024. The spell especially token, spell, cost for June 2024 may truly arrive at a by and large least worth of $0.000575, while the very greatest gauge cost generally is around $0.000648, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The genuinely normal cost for generally spell truly is in a real sense anticipated to in every practical sense reach $0.000595 in June 2024 in an unpretentious way. Spell token value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the kind of greatest cost for basically spell token could in every way that really matters stretch around $0.000678, which especially is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of basically spell in July 2024 most certainly is $0.000588, with a fundamentally normal cost of $0.000613, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of essentially spell commonly token fundamentally is determined to in a real sense be at around an especially least worth of $0.000612, which really is genuinely huge. The spell truly token value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.000702, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.000637 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Spell pretty symbolic value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of spell's sort of token basically is supposed to for the most part be at around a fundamentally least of $0.000636. Spell commonly token cost can in a real sense arrive at an essentially limit of $0.000728, with the in every practical sense normal cost of $0.000656 in United States dollars, exhibiting how by and large spell kind of token, spell, value gauge June 2024. The spell certainly token, spell, cost for June 2024 may in every way that really matters arrive at an extremely least worth of $0.000575, while the kind of great